This is the yogurt and coconut cracker cheesecake that's going viral on social media right now. And going viral in Japanese is called bazutteru. So this is the bazutteru cheesecake in Japan and going worldwide. 世界中の皆さん、こんにちは。Now it is time for Shoyu Japan Life. Okay, this next recipe I want to share with you is going viral on social media. It is a cheesecake made with yogurt and these coconut crackers here in Japan. Again, this is called coconut sabure. It's these coconut crackers, and you're supposed to put them in yogurt and leave it overnight, and it's supposed to turn into cheesecake. Now, a lot of people are using Greek yogurt or the thicker types of yogurt. This is a flavored yogurt that's made with a little bit of hachimitsu or honey inside. So I wanted to try this out to see if it's going to work, but let's give it a try. What we need to do is take out all of these crackers and then stick them into the yogurt, and let's just get that going. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let's give this a try. We're going to open up our yogurt. This is it. So let's open it up. Okay, we have the yogurt open, and then we're supposed to open these crackers up. And oh my gosh, they look just like this. They come in 4 packets of 4. 4 packets of 4. So here they are. You gotta open these up. Apparently what you're supposed to do is take these crackers and put them around the perimeter first. So put them around the perimeter. That's 4. Okay, the next. Let's see how it goes. Here, I'm getting on my hands. And then, how do we do this? We're gonna be sticking it in like this. I'm just gonna stick it in like this, folks. I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna get some clean. Here we go. Give it some more. Try to leave a little bit of plastic while you push one down and the other one. Okay. And this one, a little space, a little bit of space. Come on, space it out. Oh gosh. Look at the last pack here. Look how this thing is coming back up over here. Yeah, last one. Think we more in there. Oh gosh. And what do we do here? 1, 2. Does it fit? And they said you're supposed to grab your chopsticks to kind of force it in to fit it in so that it goes under. Wow, look at that. You push one down and the other side comes up. Yeah, I think we've done it. We got it. They said to leave this overnight, and then this should turn into cheesecake. Let's see if this actually turns into cheesecake, folks. Okay, everyone, it's the next day, so we're gonna check on our so-called cheesecake that was made with the coconut crackers and yogurt. This yogurt, it looks pretty much the same way we left it yesterday here, but let's try to dig in and see what it looks like and what it tastes like. So, well, one thing's for sure is that it's soft. Okay, folks, appearance wise, I just put some of it into this little bowl here, cup, container, whatever you call this, little dish, and let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. I don't know if this is cheesecake, but it tastes really good. Maybe it's because of the yogurt that I used, but it's a good dessert. Is this what cheesecake tastes like? Anyway, I like it. Maybe it's kind of like a cheesecake, a sweetened custard kind of cheesecake. Here it is. ごちそうさまでした. So here's my final presentation of the cheesecake. I tried to find the best piece possible, and here it is. The yogurt and coconut cracker cheesecake. やってみてください、皆さん。
皆さん please like, subscribe, and tell your friends too. Thank you. Oh yeah. ありがとう。よろしくお願いします。
Whether you caught my video or not about desserts going viral on social media, I made a blueberry ice cream and a cheesecake, and basically I thought maybe I should be eating them together. So here it is, the cheesecake and blueberry ice cream together. The blueberry ice cream didn't come out as sweet as I was hoping it would. It's very blueberry flavored. And then the cheesecake came out a lot sweeter than expected. So I thought, what a combination. This would be a great mix. So I'm gonna mix the blueberry ice cream with the cheesecake. Itadakimasu. Now that is a wonderful mix.